Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to change your currency on Shein. Firstly, open up your Shein application. The homepage of the Shein application will appear on the screen. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section. Now, simply tap on the little gear icon at the top right side of the page, and then click on Currency option. Choose the currency that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change currency on Shein quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.